Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. We are going to start this entire video from the Freshen Up Friday room. This is where we do giveaways every single Friday at 7 p.m. EST. It's kind of crazy. This is the very first of its kind that we are doing this, where I'm featuring the entire room on the vlog, you guys. It's pretty freaking insane. As you can see, this is our setup. This is it. What we have is Kick and Twitch with the activity feed on both sides. That's it. Oh, the blueberry burnout can. These came out today, so we are gonna talk about these. We have our little light up here that helps. Let's go to our full screen. Let's go. Okay, so this is what this looks like, you guys. Yeah, this is freaking awesome. I mean, honestly, having this in the vlog is like one of the craziest things ever. So this is also our itinerary. So this is our itinerary, you guys. This is what we're gonna be talking about all day today. So in case you guys are ever curious, it's literally just a notes file. We are literally about ready to fire this up. It is almost 7 p.m. EST or 5 o'clock here in the state of Utah. Every single Friday, you guys, this is what we do. As a part of Freshen Up Energy, this is the energy drink company that we own. You guys know that. We sell this kind of stuff. We put content creators' names on pretty much everything that we do, and it's absolutely the coolest thing ever, that at least I do in my life. So just to give everybody a little bit of a rundown, we are literally going to start up the stream right now live with you guys here so you guys can see this, because I definitely want you guys here through the entire process. Let's do it. I mean, it is just about time. We try to go live about 4:45 here in Utah. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get, we're just gonna hit start streaming right here. So we're gonna go, boop. Cool. So as soon as we hit start streaming, pretty shortly after, we start having everybody in chat just saying stuff. I think I'm just going to drop in a couple of emotes for fun, and then we're going to start the music. We're going to turn that down so we don't get YouTube striked, obviously. Copyright strike. But yeah, we're just literally playing off a Spotify playlist, and then we will be, I guess, waiting for everybody to get in here. We have some of the bot protection coming in hot. SariBot, huge shout out. We have a couple people Subsonic already. We had Ninja Texan, Madman, Shabat, Meg. Meg renewed her subscription for 20 months. She's going for the 2-year mark. So this is the Freshen Up Friday stream. This is literally, you guys, this is how we do this every single Friday. It's really not insane. Mrs. Freshen Up, Eliza, so she's in the other room. She's going to be modding, at least right in the very beginning, which is basically just making sure chat's good. There's no one like griefing chat, no one saying inappropriate stuff. We do like to keep the streams family friendly, which is a huge deal for us. Obviously, having a business, we do giveaways, things like that. We understand people and their families are going to be tuning in every Friday. So I'm super excited. We're going to put the camera off to the side. We're going to do a little bit of recording and kind of fill it in a little bit so you guys get to see kind of how that goes. We also have a fog machine, which is crazy, has no business being in this room, but it's really fun because once every 5 subs is dropped, we basically fire it off. So anyway, this is the Friday streams, you guys. You guys, chat is already flying right now. We got Screecher, Broken Mini, Soup Sandwich in here. This is the fan. This is the Fresh fan, you guys. We are also going to be giving away this insanely cool Fresh Fest Crow Fest title belt on stream, you guys. I'm so excited for this. Whoever won this, huge congratulations, you guys. Let's go, you guys! Oh my goodness! Okay, all right, I have you guys on the vlog. I have you guys on the channel right now. Everybody say hi. I definitely wanted to record and get a little bit of the Fresh Up Friday with all of you guys in here. Everybody in chat right now, spam. Everybody spam emotes, anything in the world that you guys want to, both sides, Twitch and Kick. We're gonna have you guys featured on the vlog. Say hi, YouTube. Oh my goodness, yeah, there's Christina June. Oh my goodness, the bits. Oh my goodness. Reaper of Darkness, bro. Oh my lord. Yo, so many emotes. What is going on? You guys. Let's go, you guys. This is the Freshen Up Friday stream. Everybody in chat is saying hi to YouTube. This is super, super fun. Subsonic with the 1 gifted, bro. To Screecher. Thank you so much. Subsonic, thank you, thank you. I appreciate the heck out of you, man. You already know. Oh my gosh. You guys, okay, that can be it for now. That can be it for right now. Welcome to the Friday stream, you guys. I definitely have been for some time wanting to, at least right when we hit the fog, and just introduce, you know, the stream and everybody, all of you guys in chat. I totally for some time wanted to do that, where I had a camera and we just wanted to have fun, kind of record it. You guys, it is 7:30 in the morning. We are on our way. We're gonna go to a car show. We're gonna live stream it. I'm so tired. It's in my voice. You guys can hear it. I'm so freaking excited. We've never really done a Saturday car show like this. Let's go do it. I'm actually gonna show you the entire setup that we have. Clowning. We have like a power bank thing. We have a Jackery. We've also got a Starlink. This is gonna be freaking crazy. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is gonna be the phone mount. That's the Jackery. This is the Starlink hooked to the freaking window. It's not even a mini, it's a normal. It's like a regular. Microfibers, you guys know. We're just gonna wait for the Starlink to update and then we're gonna go live, you guys. We are all set up. We are not live quite yet, but we're getting there. Go back and do it again. The Supra,
we're in the Supra.
We are. We're in here. You guys were...
There is a special edition to the Supra that they will get to see today
when
we get out. How do I straighten it? Don't worry, I'm holding the phone. I know, let's see if I can... You can see the mountains. They look good today.
Yes,
you guys were pretty lucky because when you guys were here, you could see the mountains, but literally the last 2 weeks, it's been nothing but smoke because of the fires.
I was say just mess with all the buttons.
Guys, I'm still new. Skyhawks, welcome in. This is the entrance to the car show. It is located at our local mall here. I tried to sneak it.
Yo, what? I know you guys have already seen like some videos and pictures and stuff. We are gonna be uploading this to the YouTube channel, but
it got a wing.
We got a freaking wing for it. Yo. You guys, we are technically live right now. We are going to be putting all of the logos on the fender. Let's do this. It's crazy because if it bends even at the very slightest, or like if there's a little bubble right there, these are perma stickers and you're kind of, you're chalked if you do it wrong, right? Like, howdy, how are you, Brayden? What's up, man? Hey, we're live streaming today, man.
You are?
We are.
Live right now.
Yes.
Literally right now.
Yeah,
right now.
Put some stickers on the car.
Yeah, man. You guys, we made it to the car show. Okay, hold on. We got to show you. These are all of the creator logos that we got put on the car. Also, it is looking so nice. Look at the American flags, you guys. Happy 250th birthday, USA. Oh my gosh, we're parked next to such an awesome Cadillac as well. We are Kick representing, Mac Prince representing, obviously Freshen Up. We have Just Fresh down here as well. This is so sick. The wing is just looking so freaking nice, you guys. You guys, we are done with the car show. We wanted to just live stream the whole thing. We are actually still live. I'm obviously doing a video right now so they can all see me. What's up, chat? Okay. We are on our way out of here technically. We have Canyon, he's leaving right now as well. So we're out of here, you guys. We are on our way out.
You guys see that when you exit, a lot of people decide to film.
Right.
Getting out of here is like leaving a concert though.
It is. My goodness, you guys.
Here we go.
Down Broadway, you guys. Canyon's smart, he knows. Oh, there's another Supra coming, you guys.
There's another Supra right there.
Let's go.
No,
I'm just kidding.
It looks so funny. The poor flag.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and we are going to grab a bite to eat. We have Haley and Canyon. Let's go. All right, we are done. I'm gonna put all of our stuff away. I still have my microphone. I need to take off my shirt, you guys. We're gonna have a really fun 4th of July day. You guys, officially, because of the VOD, so if you guys go check out the VOD, we have officially put all of our creators whose cans that we currently have on the Supra, you guys. Crow, Shamboogie, Care Bear, Garforce, Malachi, Echoes Nation. We've also got Mama K, A Royal Mac, Jesus Jenkins, Christina June, Involve Zero. We have Screecher, Repulsive, and Sizzin. So these ones we didn't add on camera at the event, but it is officially on the Freshen Up Supra, you guys. This is so freaking sick. Also, guys, the Supra is coming along just fine. As you guys can see, the wing is so freaking awesome. I'm so happy and excited about having this. You guys, that is going to wrap it up for this video. You guys, thank you so much for coming with us to this freaking awesome car show. We got all of the creator logos put on the car. I'm so excited about that finally, you guys. Come back for the next video this next Friday, you guys. All the love in the world. See you guys.